It is time. It's over the lightning round. Play the sound. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Steven in Illinois. Steven!
Hey, Jimmy, what's up?
Not much. You tell me, Steve.
Well, I'm calling on Public Storage. They issued $2.2 billion in senior notes for the purchase of Simply Storage from Blackstone.
Yeah, and I like that. And I think with the 4% yield, this is the right level to buy Public Storage. I'm going to have to say, now I'm going to Steve in New York. Steve.
Booyah, Jim.
Steve.
Wow.
Good to have you on the show again. What's up?
Club member here who wanted to touch base with you about this provider of maintenance services for power plants and refineries. This company reported earnings on the 7th, and it beat analyst expectations on both earnings and sales. The stock seems to be responding well to the report, and I would like to hear your thoughts on PRIM, Primoris Services Corporation.
I don't know it. I know Jacobs. I've been liking that stock. I got to do work for you. Steve gets some work to be done by Mad Money team. Bennett in Florida. Bennett.
Jim, appreciate you taking my call.
Oh, thank you. What's up, Bennett?
So I got into RingCentral around $60. I know it's a bit of a mess right now. I just wondered if there's any upside left.
You know what? And I saw Vlad Shmunis is going to step upstairs, executive chair. I'm not a fan. Look, it's very crowded. It's too crowded, too commoditized. I'm going to have to say no. I'm sorry. Now I'm going to go to Jack in New Jersey. Jack.
Hey, Jim, what's going on, buddy?
Not bad. How are you?
Pretty good. Hey, Jim, listen, with the three most popular AI games, most popular selling AI games in the world right now, and the fact that Activision merger was just approved, do you think, number one, is NetEase going higher, and number two, it's going to be in play for a merger?
Well, look, I got to tell you, the only Chinese stock I recommend on the show is Alibaba, and I'm not that keen on owning Chinese stocks. I do think, by the way, that Take-Two Interactive had a terrific quarter. Strauss-Zelnick gave that to you, and the stock's been down ever since, and that's probably a mistake. John in Minnesota. John.
Hey, Jim, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Good. Hey, I got a question on SMG, ScottsMiracle-Gro. I see it's been down over the last couple of years. It's got a yield of 5%.
Yeah, it does. You know what? I think that here's the problem. They have got to try to fix the notion of being way too dependent upon the gardener. Okay? They have to try to find something else. And I got to tell you, the weather's been bad on the weekends. People aren't spraying the extra stuff. It's just too dicey a stock for me, and 5% yield's not enough to entice me. Alex in Florida. Alex.
Jimmy Choo, first time, long time.
Oh, there you go. That's what I want. What's going on?
All right, Jim. So the company I'm calling about has had 5 quarters of consecutive EPS beats over estimates, double-digit year-over-year revenue growth. On their last earnings call, they increased guidance to double-digit same-store sales growth. They increased their revenue, and they've got agreements in place so they're not overly reliant on the spot price of chicken wings. But the stock is 27% below its May high of $223 a share. I think that's too cheap, Jim, but tell me, what am I doing with Wingstop?
Oh, Wingstop, man, I love Wingstop. Bye. Let's go to Connor, New Hampshire. Connor.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah, Connor, what's happening?
Thank you so much for taking my call. Not too much. Hey, so I know you like Adobe, but with Maya Suite and generative AI, I like Adobe too. But I believe Autodesk is well positioned.
Chief, I'm with you. Connor's right. Autodesk is. Now, Adobe is one of my faves, but I have left out Autodesk, and that's a mistake. NVIDIA, let's remember what Larry Williams said. It's going to go lower. We're not going to give up. We just accept the fact that stocks that go up 200% come down a little. I gave him a twofer. I gave him Autodesk. I think it was a threefer. Autodesk, Adobe, and NVIDIA. Let's go to Mark in Texas. Mark.
Hey, Jim, how are you today? I really enjoy y'all's show. I've been watching it since I've been retired. I bought the Pioneer at I bought the Pioneer at 205.
No, then I love you, man. 205. We bought something there with Charitable Trust as a big position Pioneer. It is going higher, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, why a Kellogg's breakup may lead to a breakout at the breakfast table. Don't skip the most important meal of the day when we return. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.